Hi, welcome to InfoComm 2026. I'm Chris Curran. We're here at the TMB booth N2671. Today we're going to take a quick look at a family of products, the Proplex LTC devices. The LTC devices is for live entertainment, behind the scenes, installations of timecode. So the main product in the range is the Proplex Code Commander. It's available for analog, network, timecode regeneration, distribution, and conversion. We support and distribute clean, synchronized timecode in all industry standards and formats. We're able to switch our timecode sources at the press of a button, and we'll notice here as it's reclocking that we'll see it in orange. There's lots of little other products involved in this range. We've got the Code Bridge for behind the scenes where you don't need to see that clock. We have the Code Bridge Plus where the one ArtNet input also has a lot of the same functionality as the Code Commander, and if you're just looking for something for LTC itself, then the Code Clock. Quickly, we're releasing here the Code Bridge Micro, which is great for set pieces, up on the truss, wherever you just want to get time code behind the scenes. So check it out at www.tmb.com or come see us at InfoComm.